LG washer. Complaint is leaking water on the floor. This is the model number. And this is why it leaks water. So this shouldn't, this one is stirred up. So unfortunately what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and today replace the brace of the boot, the door seals. So first thing we're gonna do is you have to take the 2 screws in the back. There's a screw in here. Screw over here. And a screw over here. That's the first step. Take off this, push one down, push it down. This has to be pushed down. Take it off. And you have to take off those screws. This is the special screws. This is stainless steel. Special screws is different from all the screws inside this washer. Then just have to pull it out this way. It comes out. So if you pull it up this way, it comes out. This is what it looks like in the back. See it? What goes inside goes. So it comes out. Yeah. You put it back that way. Then start with. You're going to take off this screws. Yeah. is what it tightens the boot. That spring is out. Side. Take out the old boots. So good. Good. Need to go like this. Need to take out that. Okay. Go down. And this last screw, you have to be careful. Go. That's the last thing. Last thing, tight up the body, the washer, and after this, pull it out. We have this here. Just push, and you take it out. And what a gift. Now we're gonna remove it. With this specific machine, we have to take off the weight, the ballast weight from here, 2 of them, to install the new boots. So we have to take it off, these and this one over here. And we're gonna lose up this, take it up and lose up, basically lose up only this and lose it up. And we're gonna go ahead and take that spring off, and I will show you how to put it back. This is what I use to take it off. It's 10 millimeter, and I'll start from the bottom. Okay, put them apart right here. Then for the last one, you have to take it off and hold it, because it gets loose and come down, and it's heavy. So you loose up that one, and so that way I have to use 2 hands. The other one, the same thing. Take it out. Okay. So basically the last one, I have to use both hands. This is what it looks like right now. So we're gonna loose up this guy over here. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and loose it.
Okay. Are you in the middle of the meeting? I am. Let me just go. I can back out of it though. Let me talk to them.
I'm gonna take off this and take off all of these, each one by one. You just pull it back, pull it out, and it comes out. Okay. This is the trick I always do before I pull it out.
Okay, sounds good. No problem.
I marker. I do a marker there. So I don't have hard time after that. So I know what to put the next new one. So sit. So I know where exactly I put the next one. Right. How this will just, you can just keep it and be careful. Keep it that way and be careful. That's it. Then next step is to take off this spring. This is completely out. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. For anybody who's looking for the part number, let me show you the part number. That's the part number over there. So a lot of people get confused about this. You see this side has to be pulled outside, and that side has to be inside. And we go a little by little. Look what I put in exactly. Exactly what the mark is from the hole. It's hard to see it, but I'll try to make it easy. Then you put it. See it? Okay. It's hard to see it, but you will feel it. You have to do it all the way around. Make sure that the boot's edge of the boot, it's all the way there, down. So if you don't feel any spaces, it means it is up there. See it? Make sure it's all the way. So because later we're gonna put the spring has to be tight. Anything loose, the brick spring is not gonna fit in. It's gonna cause a leak. Make sure everything is good. Yeah, I feel it with my hand. Okay. So basically the spring has to go there. This is the tool I use. This is the tool I use for the spring. It's a very good tool. It's faster. Okay, and then I put the spring around it. If I need more, just loose it up, put it up. See it? Put the spring around here, put it over there, put it around here. So exactly where it's supposed to go. In this area. See it? It's right there. It is exactly right there. With that, it goes through from all sides. Coming from the bottom, see it? Has to go. On the edge has to go, so keep pushing it up. Alright. I'm gonna put everything back now. Put this bracket all over and push it in. Has to go all the way in. All the way, all the way, all the way. Right, I need 2 hands to do that. Okay. Put a little bit. Okay. Alright. Let's just do here. Let's do that. Push it in. Push. It has to go all the way. See it? All the way. That's what we do. That's what we're gonna do. Take this one out. Alright. Okay. Same thing on the other side. So basically right now we put everything back with the circulation water that hooked up to the pump, and this went back and flushed. The drainage system is back there, and if anybody wants to replace the drain pump, this is the drain pump. If you have an issue with the drain pump, you have to do almost the same thing for the drain pump, and you have to take those screws off, and you take it off. When put the machine back, do not forget to put the connector for the door back there. Otherwise the machine is going to give you a door open and it won't start. Just put it back. we're gonna do a reverse, so I'm gonna put screws over here to hold it and do everything. Okay, this is the fun part. So again, we have to put this right there, same like we did the drum. We're gonna do it to the door, tighten it up. We're gonna put it like this and like this. Unfortunately, I need two hands to work it out like this, like this, like this, and if you have any issue with it, you can put some soap around it and it's easier. So if anybody has an issue with it, either the front one or the back one for the door seals, just put some soap and detergent, any kind, will be easier. This is the tool I use, and I put down on the prescription, I'll put down the part number for all this tool I usually use, okay, for this job. It's easy, so makes it more easier to put the spring. You stretch it. Unfortunately, this one you cannot use it in the rear one. I use these on the front. When I put the springs on the front, the rear one is giving me a hard time to use it. Okay, but I use this in the front, and the other two, these tools, I use it in the rear one. As you see, you push it in, do it this way, you push it in, and you put it around. And look, it's good. It's easy and fast. This is what I do after every appliances job. I do speed wash and make sure that the machine is working properly. It doesn't matter what the job